My wife Janice has been particularly interested in looking at some way to supplement our income. We're both retired and we have investments separately from our pensions, and so in this day and age the cost of living goes through the roof, and so we need to find a way to supplement our income. Plus my wife is younger than I, and she's determined to get into something that will sort of enable us to do a bit of travel in the ensuing years. I've learnt heaps. We did a lot of research before coming on to the conference, before meeting with Alex, and we looked at webinars and been to conferences for other companies, and in the end we weren't interested in the rah-rah type of presentation. We've looked at American people as well, and we had a chance in Sydney. We were down there to visit her daughter, and I took the chance to ring Alex and say, any chance we can have a cuppa and a bit of a chat. And we were impressed by the way Alex presented, the support that he provides. We looked at the silver program with him and decided we would go with the gold program for the reason that the gold program offers support to getting the first product up, doing a lot of the work that we don't yet know how to do. So that's the reason. Probably to follow the steps and the 10 steps, and if you follow the 10 steps and you research the product categories that you're looking at, and pick products that are not too expensive, over $20, but that we can't afford to lose too much money if they don't work, and they might not work. So following those 10 steps, which actually I now call 12 steps, and it's a bit of a joke actually, but that's because I'm a lot older and I've got to make the most out of every year that I've got. So yes, the extra steps beside the 10 are the ones that means why we're with gold is because we get support for the first product, and that will help us in our learning process of the whole thing. I would say absolutely join, and if you're young and you can learn the technologies and the social media side of it, then silver might be a way if you're doing it as a part-time. But if you're in our situation, a bit older and less computer literate and less social media literate in terms of promoting the product, then I would say definitely go with gold, and consider platinum because while it's a lot more expensive, it's putting 10 products up. So I would say definitely go with it one way or another.